Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix being logged out of Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome because it is very easy to use. Now let's go simply search for recover Facebook account. Okay, recover Facebook account. Now simply search for it, and at the first web page you can see it is called recover your Facebook account if you can log in. Now simply tap on it and you'll be straightly taken to this Facebook help center. Now read this first option which is said go to the find your account page at facebook.com/login/identify and follow the instructions. What you simply need to do is simply tap on this blue letter icon and it will redirect you to the page like this. Now what you have to do is add your email address or your phone number and then search, and your Facebook will search your account. And after that what you have to do is follow the instructions and wait until Facebook responds and unlocks your account. Then you can log into your account and then reuse your Facebook account as normally as it was. Then the problem you're facing will be solved. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.